So, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone, especially to you ma'am. So, my topic is clean bar equipment and tools. So, next is bar surface. Bar surface refer to all surface in the bar area, particularly those surface that are exposed to accumulation of dirt and dust. One of the very important rule of the bartender is to ensure the safety of the guest by providing a clean and sanitary environment. So her task is to make sure that all the surface in the bar area are properly cleaned or maintained before the operation, during the operation, and after the operation of the bar. So there are types of bar surface. So surface counter. So surface in the service counter include the following. So first is rail, bar table or bar top, bar die, glass rack, shelves, armrest, foodrest, pick up station. So this is the sample of front bar service counter, glass rail, a hanging glass rack, bar table, bar top, bar die, and foot trees. So this is the example of inside the bar. So next is service station. The service station include the surface of the underbar. So first is pouring station, ice beam, speed rail, bottle wheels, hand sink, drail board, glass sink, post mix service point, pickup station. So next is service station, hand sink and three compartment glass sink, ice bin and bottle wheel in a pouring station. So next is bar back. The bar back surface include first is back bar mirror, display counter, share shelves inside and out, beverage storage inside and out. So this is the back bar mirror and display counter. So this is the flooring. So this is the bar equipment, under bar and bar equipment. So first is hand gun, glass washer, glass brush, ice bean, ice maker machine, crusher, electric cocktail shaker, electric cocktail mixer, blender, glass sink, back bar, a refrigerator, beer dispenser, keg, keg cooler. So keg, fonts, electric juicer, liquor dispenser, electric liquor dispenser, electronic POS, portable bar, espresso machine, coffee sipon, coffee sipon, bottle wheels, sink with rail board, frozen drink dispenser, glass chiller, glass roaster, waste dump. So use of underbar and bar and back bar equipment. So first is back bar refrigerator, used to store perishable ingredients and different types of bottle and canned beers. So second is blender, used to grind pure and refined ingredients. Third is bottle wheels, located beside the ice bin for chilling bottle of drink or of juice. 4. Coffee sipon. Used in preparing brew coffee. 5. Draft beer direct dispensing line. Used to dispense draft beers. 6. Drain board. Used to air dry the glasses after rinsing. 8. Electronic cash register, used to record and store cash transactions. 9. Electronic dispensing system, automatically faster and efficient, used to dispense ingredients. 10. Espresso machine, used for producing espresso coffee. 11. Frozen drink dispenser, used to prepare and dispense frozen drink. 12. Glass brush, used to clean glassware, particularly tall glasses. 13. Glass froster, used to chill or froze the glasses before serving. So 14. Glass sink, used to rinse and sanitize glasses. 15. Glass washer, machine operate washer to clean glasses faster and in large quantity. 16 handguns for dispensing soft drink and mixes. 17 hand sink used to wash hand before and after preparing. 18 ice bin for storing ice. 19 ice crusher. 19 ice crusher used for crushing ice faster and in large volume. 20 ice flakers used to produce ice flake or fine crushed ice. 21 ice machine, a machine that freezes water to make ice cube, also called ice maker. 23 keg cooler, used to store and chill keg or draft beers. 24 was dump, used to store waste. 24 waste dump, used to store waste. Waste must be segregate. 22 juicer, used to extract juices. 25 wine liquor dispenser, used to dispense liquor in specific quantity. So next is bar tools and utensils. Bar tools for mixing and puring. So this is the double-ended jiggers, pures, pre-pure, and measured. Boston shaker, cocktail shaker with handle. Bar spoon, mixing glass. Ice cubes, ice tongue, ice pick, modeler. Squeezer, juicer, bar strainer, jalip strainer, measuring spoon, liquid measuring cup, standard shaker, store and pour, juice jug, bar mat. So tools for garnishing. So first is cutting board, bar knife, bar spoon with release fork, gister, router, stripper, nutmeg grater, a glass reamer, bar KD, garnishing KD tray. Tools for servings, bar blade, bottle opener, waiter corkscrew, screw, corkscrew, waiter's corkscrew, butterfly wings type corkscrew, bar tray. So next is use of tools for mixing, puring, and garnishing drink. So number 1 is bar KD, used in storing bar supplies and decorations. Number 2, bar knife, used to pick ingredients and eat cutting and slicing. Number 3, bar mat, used as underliner in the puring station of the glass rail for sanitation and for non-slip purposes. So number 4, bar spoon, used for picking up, measuring ingredients and in stirring cocktail. 5, bar strainer, used for straining drinks after mixing. Number 6, cocktail shaker, used for mixing cocktail by shaking. 7, cutting board, used to cut fruits, slice, and garnishes. 8, a fruit squeezer, used for squeezing fruits to extract the juice. 9, a funnel, used to transfer content from one container to another container. Number 10, garnishes KD tray, with use storing garnishes for easy access. 11, glass rimming, a tool used to rim or froze the rim of the glass with sugar or salt. 12, ice pick, used for baking packed ice or block of ice. So 13, ice scoop shovel, used for picking up ice in large quantity. 14, ice tongue, used for picking ice cube individually. 15 joggers used for measuring ingredients in preparing and serving drinks or cocktails. 15 jigger, jigger, used for measuring ingredients in preparing and serving drinks or cocktails. 16 liquid measuring cup, used to measure liquid ingredients in large quantity. 17 measuring spoon, ingredients used for measuring liquid in powder. 19 muddler, used to press or middle ingredients such as fresh fruit slice and some herb to extract flavor and aroma. 18 mixing glass, used for mixing cocktail by stirring. 20 nutmeg grater, used in grating nutmeg directly on top of the drink. 21 pure, used to control regulate the flow of drink during pouring. 22 store and pour count conti 22 store and pure container with a spot used to store and pure juices or mixers. Uh, 23 zester router stripper, used in stripping skin of fruits for garnishing. So that's all for my report. Thank you.